Are you wondering how to integrate Outgrow with Zapier? Stick around because in the next few minutes, we'll walk you through this powerful combination and show you how it can automate and streamline your workflow. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner, this integration can save you time and help scale your operations. Outgrow is an interactive content platform that allows you to create quizzes, calculators, and other engaging content that drives conversions. Zapier, on the other hand, is an automation tool that connects all your favorite apps and moves data between them automatically. Integrating these two gives you the ability to automate your marketing, customer engagement, and data collection in real time. Before we dive into the steps, I want to let you know that you can start using both Outgrow and Zapier completely free. You'll get an extended free trial with some exclusive bonuses just for watching this video, so be sure to check out the first link below. Now let's talk about how this integration works and how to set it up. The main idea here is to use Zapier to connect Outgrow with apps you already use. You'll be able to trigger actions in one app based on user activity in another without any manual input. The first step is to create a Zapier account if you don't already have one. Once you've signed in, go to the Make a Zap button on the top left. This is where the magic begins. Choose Outgrow as the app you want to connect to Zapier. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger. A trigger is an event in Outgrow that will prompt an action in another app. For example, you could choose Newly Generated as a trigger, which would activate a chain of actions whenever someone submits a quiz response or completes a calculator. You can also choose other triggers, like New Form Submission or New Result Generated. Once you've selected your trigger, it's time to choose what action you want to happen in another app. This is where things get exciting. You can set up actions like adding leads to your CRM, sending an email, or even posting to social media. The possibilities are nearly endless, and once you've set it up, the workflow runs automatically in the background. Once your Zap is set up, you can test it to make sure everything works smoothly. Zapier will let you know if there's any issue with your integration, and you can troubleshoot from there. If everything is good, hit turn on, and your Zap will be live. Now, why is this so important? By automating these processes, you're freeing up time to focus on other areas of your business, while also ensuring that your leads, customer data, and engagement are all captured seamlessly. Whether you're using it for lead generation, onboarding, or customer feedback, integrating Outgrow with Zapier can significantly increase your efficiency. At the end of the day, this integration is all about creating an automated flow that helps you scale. Whether you're using Outgrow to generate leads through quizzes or calculators, or to create custom user experiences, Zapier makes sure the next step in your process happens automatically. As a final reminder, you can start using both Outgrow and Zapier completely free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to automate and streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.